This is the GT7116. It is a 15.6-inch fan-free design POS terminal. Just screen, no distractions. That's what we think a gorgeous machine. The GT7116 features an OTP on-cell touch panel display, which enables us to reduce the bezel size to an ultra-narrow bezel with a thickness of just 4 mm, maximizing display area and minimize overall size. The incorporated on-cell touch panel is capable of delivering 400 nits of brightness, while offering an enhanced touch experience with improved responsiveness. With GT7100 series, the left-side attachments are now supported, offering greater flexibility and a more comprehensive range of options. GT7100 series supports a Versa 7.5 mounting standard. It can be easily pole-mounted or wall-mounted, provides a flexible configuration free from fixed height and view angles. The GT7100 series also have a variant features a thumb screw quick release, allowing for easy maintenance without disassembling from its mount. The GT7100 series POS terminal provides versatile expansion option tailored to your application needs. A spatial folding base offers ease of delivery and a customer-focused design. Its adjustable folding angle adapts to various business scenarios, while it reduces shipping space and costs. GT7116 is powered by Intel's latest CPU technology, and it is fan-free design, offering high performance without any noise. GT7116 supports an internal USB-C connector for a customer-facing display, as well as a USB-C display output for external displays, offering an unmatched flexibility. Overall, GT7116 is suitable for compact and limited workspace. Its customer-facing display to enhance customer interaction. The small footprint improves work environment, and its modern and sleek design pleases to the eyes. Visit our website at www.posiflex.com. Subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest updates of our product and service, and subscribe to our YouTube and LinkedIn as well. Thank you.